Well, as the name of the video suggests, Wynn's dry fuel didn't actually help with the issue, so I am now moving on to attempted solution number 2, which is Wynn's petrol system treatment formula or something. They did have a cheaper option, and this was their professional option, so I've decided to try the professional option. I don't know what the difference is between them. I don't know why would you offer a non-professional alternative that doesn't do anything or does less than the professional option. I really don't know. So let's have a look at the box. It does say it eliminates jerking and pinging, so I guess that's the problem I'm having, right? I'm intermittently getting knocking, right? If the knock sensor is saying the signal is too high. So potentially we're still troubleshooting if it's some kind of contamination in the fuel. Perhaps it's the wrong type of fuel that was somehow, I mean, I don't know. I've refueled now, what, 3 or 4 times? What are the chances that it's the fuel? Probably not a lot at this point. However, the way I see it, there's no real harm in trying these products. I mean, for all I know, that there was some moisture in my fuel tank, you know, from, you know, it's a humid country, so there probably was some moisture in the fuel tank. So using the dry fuel probably was a good idea, even if it didn't solve that problem, because it would have helped with the general condition of the fuel tank or the fuel system. So I don't see that being a big problem using the previous product. It was very cheap. This one is slightly more expensive, but again, I don't believe anything that it says on the box, but at the same time, I don't think there's any harm using it. This time it does say on the box, add contents to a full tank of fuel. So let's have a look at what's in the box. Well, there's obviously the fuel additive itself, and this time it's 500 ml. It's not 325 ml like the previous time. Let's see, it says peel here. For all petrol engines, cleans and protects the injection system, immediately improves combustion, which enhances engine performance, improves acceleration, and reduces engine noise. I don't think I want to reduce engine noise. Reduces petrol consumption, reduces CO and HC emissions, eliminates jerking and pinging, does not harm catalytic converters. Add contents to a full tank of fuel. For best results, use in every 3rd tank of fuel. Alright, that's a lot of promises. It does have, however, a professional booklet in multiple languages. So let's find the English. High performance petrol system treatment. For all petrol engines, cleans and protects the injection system. This is a repeat of everything before. This is a repeat of everything before. Treat your car as well with us as an advert for another product. And elimination of deposits on intake valves. Okay. Why did they need to print this thing? Is there anything on the other side that's more informative? Nope. Continues to be the same thing in multiple languages. This gives the illusion of something, of a product of a high quality product, but I think this is just a waste of paper. Poor trees that had to die to make this. So I still have half a tank left, and this is the tank that still has the Wynn's dry fuel. I wrote to Wynn and I asked them, can I mix the two together? It took them a while to answer me, but they said yeah, it would have been fine to mix the two at the same time. So even though I still have half a tank with the dry fuel in it, the dry fuel additive, I'm gonna fill up and add the rest of and add the new additive in there. So apparently they do a good job together, according to Wynn's. And you might say Wynn's has an incentive to sell you more of their products, but I don't know. I was only concerned that maybe that it might harm the engine to have both additives in there at the same time because of potential, chemical reactions. They may interact with each other or with the fuel in some way. I wouldn't have added them both at the same time to a tank of fuel without the manufacturer saying it wouldn't be a problem. Okay, so we've arrived at the petrol station. Time to, well, put on our safety equipment. It's a bit silly with me with the GoPro on my head as people are staring, but I don't really care, to be honest. The mask is on. Bless you. Okay, so the additive is in. Let's see what it does.